This is a short video to demonstrate the Masket tools. We start with the semantic management system by opening one of the three applications, which is the Word to XML file converter. The idea is that a Word file is opened where the course description is provided in a Word template. This is the transformation interface that we use in order to take the information which is in a Word file, traditionally saved for a course description of a university or a module description for a professional body, then identifying the different keywords like course details, prerequisites and course outline. These keywords are being used in order to split the text, and by importing these keywords we will be able to save it and an output that it is in an XML format. All the information in the database repository is stored in an XCRI format, so we're using XCRI to save all the data provided by course description, from the title of the course to the learning outcomes and all the different properties. We just showed that how the OWL file was created. For those who are not familiar with the technology, these screens explain how the OWL file output works. We have a course description and we use this OWL information to create a semantic similarity between courses. This leads us to the third tool that we've created for Masket, which is the semantic similarity file. We open a file as we see here. Actually, we open two files. We open two OWL files which we created with the previous tool. The idea is that we have course descriptions from two providers, Middlesex University and a professional body as QA. The idea is that we will try to compare the two courses in terms of the similarity, and the semantic similarity will be based on certain properties like the learning outcomes. In this particular case, we've selected the learning outcomes of two courses, and then we come with an output which compares the two courses in terms of the specific learning outcomes. However, the output of such a mapping can be a little bit more complicated